caregivers, my name is Kate Compton, and I'm one of the children's guides from the miniThink in Brighton. And since we can't be together this summer for our miniThinkers program, the miniThink children's guides have gotten together to share some of our favorite activities with objects that you can find right in your own home. Today we're going to talk about pots and pans. One of my favorite activities is making a pretend meal. Go ahead and let your child stir up some water or bake some dried cereal. Dramatic and pretend play helps build narrative skills, as well as encouraging social and emotional development. Another idea is grab a cookie sheet. If you have magnetic letters, go ahead and put those on and practice letter recognition. If not, any magnet will do, or even tape. Encourage your child to remove these objects. The small muscles in their hands that are needed to do this task are the same muscles they'll use when they learn to write. Or grab a reflective surface. A spoon or a bowl will do. Take a look at yourself. Talk about what you see. How is it different from a mirror? Talking with your children helps develop vocabulary. The more words kids can hear, the bigger their vocabulary becomes. And a big vocabulary is crucial when kids see these words for the first time in print. And if you're really brave, go ahead and let them bang on some pots and pans and sing along. I hope some of these activities and ideas help make your summer a little more fun. Thanks for watching, and I miss being together. Don't forget to keep an eye out for some more videos and tips. So long.